Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change WordPress password from Hostinger. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our WordPress website and today we are going to change its password from Hostinger. So let's see how we can do it. So at first we will log into our Hostinger hPanel. Now from here we will see an hosting option. Now click on manage next to your web hosting. Now to change our password, from the left menu we are going to click on databases and then click on management from here. And here we will see all the databases that we have created on our Hostinger account. So if you have only one website on your web hosting, then here you will see only one database. But as I have multiple databases on my account, so at first we will find out which database belong to our website. So to find out the database, again we are going to click on files and then click on file manager. You can access the files of a specific website or you can access all the files of your web hosting. So we will go with all the files. Now click on domains folder, select our domain name, click on public_html. Now scroll down and here we will see the file wp-config.php. Right click on it and then click on edit. And here we will see the name of our database. So again we will go back to Hostinger hPanel, click on databases and then select management. So this is our database. Now click on enter PHP myadmin. Now from here we will select WP users. And here we will see the username that we have created for our WordPress website. Now click on edit from here. Now to change the password, here we will see the user pass option. So next to it there is a drop down. So click on this drop down and press M from your keyboard and MD5 will be selected. So click on it. And now we need to change our password. After that we will scroll down and then click on go from here. Now we will go back to our WordPress website login page, refresh it from here. Now we will add our password and our username. After that we are going to click on login. And as you can see that our password is now changed and now we are in the WordPress website dashboard. So this is how you can change WordPress website password from Hostinger. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.